What I'm going to do first is always click the origin, make sure that's on, and I'm going to draw on this front plane. I can do that by selecting the plane or clicking Create Sketch and selecting the plane. I'm going to make a very simple sweep. I like to use the circle tool. You can use whatever shape you want. There's lots here. If you click Create, you'll see lots and lots of things to explore. I want you to try that. Now, if I click the circle and it's a center point circle, I can click the center point or my origin, and I can type in something like the size I want it to be and just click Done. Finish the sketch. For a sweep, you need two sketches. You need a profile sketch and you need a direction. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select a plane that is perpendicular. I'm going to hit Create Sketch, and I'm going to use the spline line. Now, as I hover over this object, I should be able to make a line that's all curved and should be really interesting. And then I click the little green check mark, and I'm good. Now, when I go to the sweep command that's located here under Create, I can click the profile, and on the path I can select this line, and all of a sudden you see it sweeps. Now notice it got a little weird there at the end, and so what we want to do is kind of play around with these commands, the parallel orientation of your object. If I make it parallel, it's going to follow that path. We click OK and you're done. Don't forget to hit Shift Command 4 so you can take a screenshot of all of your work.